What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where say it ain't so. Rumor has it that the Maserati Ghibli will be at the end of its production and discontinued by 2023. Now, before I get started, obviously you guys know that this holds a special place in my heart and a special pain in my heart, being that the first car that I got in the Italian range was the Maserati Ghibli, which I was the first one to purchase one out of Maserati Alfa Romeo of Daytona back in 2014. And then I got my second Ghibli, which was a 2016 model the following year. But with that said, I built a lot of my audience with my Maserati Ghibli being on my first channel and on this channel here today, whether it was being very transparent with the flaws and the depreciation or boasting and bragging how much I love the car and how much fun it was to own. Now we're talking about it coming to an end. With it being in production 8 years ago, the Ghibli continued to be the entry-level model for the Trident range. Now for the sedan, the future seems to be written. In a SUV-crazed world, the Ghibli will soon leave the scene to make room for the new entry-level of the Maserati range, the new Grecale SUV, which was confirmed in recent weeks that will be presented in November. Now the farewell to the Maserati Ghibli will be gradual for a certain period of time. In fact, the Ghibli and Grecale will coexist. Only at a later time, the Ghibli will end its career and, bearing unlikely surprises, will not register for a debut of a next generation, as these were FCA's plans for the future of Maserati. Now, it will be necessary to wait until 2023. According to the latest information leaked the last 24 hours to register the end of production for the Maserati Ghibli, a model currently made in a Gugliasco plant, where you can recall that the Quattroporte is also made. The Ghibli therefore will remain in production for at least another year and a few months. Now at the moment, there is no precise date for the end of the production of the Maserati Ghibli, which in any case will be permanently out of the market by 2023. Now the sedan, as previously mentioned, will not have a new generation and will leave the role of the entry level to the Grecale. Now the Maserati DSUV, built on the Giorgio platform and produced in Cassino, will debut in November. Last year, remember that the Maserati Ghibli recorded what should have been its last significant career upgrade. About a year ago, the sedan kicked off the electrification program of the Maserati brand with the launch of the Ghibli Hybrid, a model equipped with a new 330 horsepower 2-liter turbo with a mild hybrid system. As is known with electrification for the Ghibli will stop there. No plug-in hybrid variants and no fully electric BEV variants are planned. Now, it will not be the Maserati Ghibli that will lead the brand's electrification program. The Ghibli, despite being the first model to record the debut of an electrified version, will soon leave the scene and will not have a new generation, as previously pointed out. Maserati has chosen to focus on the Grecale for the role of the new entry-level model. Now, the new SUV for Maserati is expected to quickly become the best-selling model in the brand's entire range. Furthermore, within a few years, the Grecale should surpass the global sales of the Ghibli, becoming the best-selling Maserati ever. The brand has ambitious goals for its Grecale, which will also debut in the electric version and in the sporty version of the Trofeo, probably with the V6 of the Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Furthermore, during 2022, Maserati will launch the new generation of the Gran Turismo, which will be joined by the new Gran Cabrio. Now, these two models are expected in an electric version and will be manufactured in the Manfredi plant. Now, in the meantime, the Maserati MC20 is already on the market, a model presented last September as the first step in the Trident renewal program. Subsequently, the Italian manufacturers should be able to count on new generations of the Quattroporte and Levante, models that are already included in the FCA plan, which should also be confirmed by Stellantis' new plan arriving by the end of the year. Both models are expected to be built on the Stellantis large platform, and all new Maserati models will be able to count on zero emissions electric variants that will make up the Folgore range. So we'll just have to wait in a couple of weeks to see if Stellantis changed their minds on what FCA had planned for the Maserati Ghibli, or what they didn't have planned for the Maserati Ghibli. But with that said, this one is a painful one to report to you guys, but if the rumors are true, we will probably see the last couple of models of the Maserati Ghibli over these next couple of years. So with that said, what do you think about this news? Are you excited that the Maserati Ghibli has gone away? Do you think Maserati didn't need the model? Do you think that Maserati really kind of tarnished their reputation with the Ghibli? Or do you love the Maserati Ghibli? Do you own one? Have you owned one? Do you plan on owning one? And do you think that it was a vital point to Maserati's brand and keeping it relevant over the years? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on what could be the end of the Maserati Ghibli in 2023. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch. You guys want tank tops, you want pillows, coffee mugs, glasses, everything Ron's Rides is there. I'm also on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo. It doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.